I'm back. So, yeah. This is what we're dealing with. And here I go with moving the camera. And I don't know how to undo it and make it go down. And this is a great time. This is a great video so far. I would give it 5-star. 500-star, 1,000 music. Music? Yeah, music's good. Okay, so I decided to do a lot of things, actually. So I painted the bathroom. If you can't tell, there's fresh paint. Well, you didn't see it before, did you? So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna put the painting video up. I just have several videos that I have to edit together, and you know how I am about editing. Terrible. Terrible. Just don't have the time. Anyways, I decided to take out the 2 huge white cabinets that were in here, and get something from Habitat for Humanity, which is basically a Salvation Army in a sense, and get a new cabinet, which I got for free. Amen and hallelujah. Anyways, I didn't like the color of the wood, so this is my first attempt at, what's it called? Staining. Yeah, staining. Where did I put that? Here it is. Found it. I'm just so prepared in life, just like how this video shows. Anyways, staining. I want it to be darker. I want to do that industrial look to things in this house of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Okay, anyways, I'm having a great time if you can't tell. Like, woo! So basically I'm gonna paint the sides because I destroyed it. It was free, man. It's not the best thing in the world. Not what you'd call quality, but you know what? It's a craft. This is going to be art. So basically I'm painting the sides of it. I'm not going to sand all of this down. I'm just not going to do it. This already took a long time. I'm not doing it. Okay? Alright. I'm glad you understand. Anyways, so I'm going to stain this. I'm painting the sides, the light gray color of the bathroom that I painted it, so it blends in nicely. And it is going to go above the toilet there. Whoa, yes. Yeah, right there. As you can see, I did a little bit of art. I decided this was all white, so basically now it's the gray and the brown. Kind of brown. Yeah, gave it some pizzazz right there. And as you can see along the walls, if you can see, I painted the same little, I don't know, crazy, messy, awesome art all over. You know what? It's my house. I can paint on the walls how I want to paint on the walls. It doesn't have to be the way everyone else does it. So, poop on you. Yep. Okay, so, yeah, I'm just going to not breathe this in because it makes me not want to breathe it in. So I have myself a bandana because I am just that cool. And I rock it like a bad... Yeah. So, where am I at? Okay, so I did the most part. I'm just going to do the sides a little more where it's still dark. Make it light. Let it be light! No, this is seriously how I am. This is me. I have a great time by myself, just so you know. Oh, that was cool. Oh, I'm still wearing my work pants. Oh! It'll okay. It'll okay. It'll wash off just fine. Okay, this is the corner I was looking for. I did not even start sanding this down yet, so I'm just going to show you some real live action of this, and then I'm going to cut, and then we're going to go to the part where I am staining the wood. That I feel would be a lot more fun than the sanding portion because it just takes forever. Some people use tools, like power tools, to get this done real quick. But you know what? I am going to do it the hard way. And my bandana is falling off. Lord help us, I can't breathe. Okay, alright, I can't do this. I'm going to do this actually without being recorded because I feel like I have to do it fast and precise and yeah, good. No, I'm going to do it just till it's done. So, I'll be back. I just realized how weird this looks. Better? Anyways, okay, so I finished sanding. At least as much sanding as I want to do. Granted, I think you're supposed to sand it down, like really sand it down, but I'm getting impatient. So we're opening this bad boy up. Do you have to shake it? I'm not prepared. It doesn't say, at least as briefly as I read over that. Yeah, so opening this up. I love life. And obviously I took my work clothes off. We're not gonna damage those bad boys. And we're gonna do some stuff. Okay. Heads up. Heads up. Tip from Hannah. Don't be tilting the stain jar as you're opening it. It's very full. It's very full. Okay, so here we have it. We have, pardon me. What's stuck? I don't know. Anyways, so let's do this. Yeah, I don't think it matters of the brush. I just got a cheaper paintbrush to use. Let's go at it. Oh wow, okay. It's just soaked right into the brush. Oh wow, okay. That's pretty amusing. I wonder if this is gonna look like absolute baloney if I didn't sand it down enough, or if this is like completely treated or fake wood that it's gonna look like garbage. But I'm gonna have faith and say it's gonna look great. It smells really bad. I know there was a warning about, you know, fumes are dangerous in this stuff. And, you know, now I'm thinking about it, and I'm just like, I should crack the door open, right? I think I should. I'm gonna endure it for a little bit longer just to see what this is doing. Like, is this supposed to soak in? Is this supposed to look like this? I don't think it's supposed to look like this. You need to see this up close. You just need to see this. You just need to see this. Like, do you see it? Like, it just, I don't know, man. Oh, you know, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop talking and just do it. I'm just going to do it, okay? And I don't have to worry about getting this stuff anywhere, because this carpet in the bathroom is going to go. And I'll keep saying that it is going to go until it is gone. Don't do it. Just don't put carpet in your bathroom. Please. Just don't do it. Take my advice. You ain't gonna like it when it starts smelling like pee. Alright? Okay, this is kind of fun, but I'm also kind of just like, is this gonna look like trash? I don't know, it might soak in and end up looking really nice. There's potential. There is potential, okay? I don't know why I keep talking like this, but I find it amusing. It's what I do when I'm by myself. Just so you know, this is not for entertainment. This is literally how I talk to myself when I'm trying to have a good time. I do talk to myself a lot. I think it's healthy in my opinion. Okay, it helps you process thoughts quicker, come up with conclusions quicker, because you're used to like speaking out your conclusions and how you process, how you get there. It makes you not lose your train of thought by speaking out loud. And I think a lot of people can't even think a straight thought for more than a minute, because I don't know, it just these days, this doesn't seem like many people think at all. Like, do they ever think through what they're doing, what they're saying, what the cause and effects are? It doesn't seem like it. See, this is what I talk about when I'm alone. because this is what I'd be thinking about. And since I'm alone, why not say it out loud? I like my own company. I can have a conversation, keep it lively. I can make myself laugh. I don't need to. Oh my gosh, I think I'm hilarious. Is this a problem? Is this a disorder? You know what? Speaking of disorders, everybody's got one because we're all freaking different and we've all lived a life that's very, I don't know, it's not perfect. Okay? Nothing's perfect, so something's going to affect you in some way that isn't positive. And then you always get some type of weird little aspect about yourself due to it. And then they go and label it a disorder. Honey, you don't need pills. You just need to be living a happy, healthy life. Okay? Alright, you hear me? Maybe some more vegetables and water. Does anybody drink water anymore? Jeez. Put down the soda. Put down the sugar, would ya? You're killing yourself. This is looking good. You see this? Do you see this? Oh my gosh. You just give it a second and let it like soak in. Whoo! Baby! I made a brand new cupboard. This looks so good! Okay, I'm just so excited right now. Oh my gosh. I'm doing this. I am creating my bathroom in the style that I want it to be made. Oh my gosh. My mind is blown. Okay. Alright. I love life again. Just so you guys know. I lost my bandana. I do. I love life. And this is great. You know, how much does this cost? Around $5, $6, $7? I know it was under $10. I don't really remember. But anyways, paintbrush a couple bucks and a frickin' free cupboard from Habitat for Humanity. Which is just like a Salvation Army where people donate stuff that they don't want in their house anymore. So it's really awesome. Okay? Cheap, easy fix to just make your life feel good by doing something good. I think this is great. The inside of this I'm going to paint the gray color as well. So we're not going to worry about the inside. I do still have to do the corners, but other than that, this baby has made a progressive step in its life, and it someday will live on my bathroom wall. Yes! Anyways, I will show you the finished product. Yeah. Alright, so final product of the cabinet. I'm taking this video several months later because, you know, I never got around to doing the final product clip. So here we go. This be it. I like it. I got these knobs separately. It's different than the ones that were originally on it. I like it. It's cute. It's quaint. I did paint the sides, the gray inside, and yes, I did organize it so I don't seem like a complete slob. Painted the inside, same color as from the siding and this wall of the bathroom. But yeah, I got a cabinet for free. I sanded it, stained it, got some new knobs on there, and look at her. She's living her life. Yeah, that's all I got. I hope you like.